How to clean kitchen sink. 8 pro steps to clean stainless steel sink. Your stainless steel sink isn't stain-proof. It's protected by a microscopic chromium layer that's invisible until you scratch through it. Scrub in circles or reach for bleach, and that damage is permanent. Here are the 8 professional steps that keep it sharp for years.
Step 1. Clear and rinse. Pull the sink grid completely, then rinse with hot water. Grit trapped underneath the grid grinds into the steel every time you set a pot down. Step 2. Degrease first. Wipe the whole basin with dish soap before anything else, because abrasives can't cut through grease. Skip this, and baking soda just smears the fat around instead of lifting it. Step 3. Apply a baking soda paste. Generous, mixed to the texture of wet sand. Paste stays put under pressure. Loose powder just skitters and washes down the drain. Step 4. Scrub along the grain, never in circles. Circular scrubbing cuts tiny arcs across those brushed lines, scatters light, and that's what actually reads as permanent haze.
Step 5. Treat stains by type, not by guesswork. Orange dots are almost always transferred iron, not rust. Lift them with oxalic acid powder. Cloudy white film is limescale. A vinegar compress for 5 to 10 minutes clears it. Step 6. Rinse completely, longer than feels necessary. Leftover baking soda dries into a white haze, and leftover acid keeps quietly working on the steel underneath it. Step 7. Sanitize correctly. 3% hydrogen peroxide left visibly wet for 5 full minutes. Rinsing alone removes soil, but it does nothing to actually kill bacteria. And Step 8. Dry and buff with a clean microfiber cloth, following the grain again. Water spots are just dissolved minerals left behind when water evaporates. Dry steel simply can't form them. What destroys a sink? And the drain secret. Never use steel wool, bleach, or chlorine-based powders. Chlorides cause pitting corrosion that no polishing ever reverses. And skip the vinegar and baking soda trick entirely. The acid and alkaline cancel each other out, leaving salty water and a wasted abrasive. For the drain, that smell isn't the pipe, it's biofilm, a bacterial layer quick rinses can't touch. A weekly hot water flush with dish soap plus a monthly enzyme treatment overnight clears it for good. Scrub with the grain, skip the bleach, and dry the basin every single night. Do that, and your sink will look as sharp in 10 years as it does tomorrow morning. If you're ready for a full kitchen renovation and refresh, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you in the next one.